If you are preparing for any of the post UTME exam, then you will not to pay close attention to what I'm about to expose to you in this video, because I want to help you prepare very well for the exam, help you know the areas you what focus on, and know help you understand the exam format. So let's get into it. The first you want to do is this: understand the exam format. Before you can prepare for any exam, you must find out three things. One, find out the subjects included. Number two, the numbers of questions that they are going to set in that exam. Number three, time allocation for that exam. Number four, any specific instruction and requirement. It's very important you know all this in hand. That is how you can actually prepare for that exam. Don't just start prepare for any post UTME exam, any post UTME exam in Nigeria without you having all these details. Number two, study the syllabus. Every school have their own syllabus. Although every school tends to pick their post UTME questions or syllabus from the jamb syllabus, but however, there are some little changes that you need to consider. Obtain syllabus of the post UTME exam and use it as a guide for your study. Ensure that you cover all the relevant topics and subjects outlined in this syllabus. It's very, very important, and this is where most students don't actually pay full attention to. So many students, they just prepare exam without knowing exactly what they are going to face. You must know the relevant topic you are going to see in each topic. This step 3, review past question. Obtain past question from previous post UTME exam of the university. This will help you understand the exam pattern, identify occurring topics, and practice solving similar questions. It's very important to do this. Then let's move to number 4. Number 4, create a study plan. Create a study plan. They say we don't plan to fail, but we fail to plan. As a student, you must derive a strategic plan or make a strategic plan for you to cover the subject. Develop a study plan that outlines your study schedule, topics to cover, and allocate sufficient time for each subject. A structured study plan will help you stay organized and cover all the necessary materials. This particular one is the main reason why so many people don't actually make it through post UTME, because do not create a study plan for them to cover the relevant topics they are going to face in the exam. Number 5, gather study material. Now, before you can prepare for any post UTME exam, it's very important you know the relevant materials and use them for your preparation. Collect relevant materials, study guide, online resources, and reference materials that cover the topics in the post UTME syllabus. Use these resources to enhance your understanding and knowledge. It's very, very key you do these things. Make sure, and probably how do you get the study material is by asking questions. Those people who have passed through the post UTME, maybe a senior colleague or someone you know in that school, they should help you with relevant materials. So what you want to do is to take some relevant material in that school and start using it for your personal study. This will now take us to step 3. Practice time management. So many students, the reason why they could not prepare adequately for the exam, and which result to their academic failure or not doing well in the post UTME, is because they lack time management. During your preparation, practice solving questions within the allocated time frame. This will help you improve your speed and efficiency in answering questions during the actual examination. It's very key you do this here. Then number 7, seek for clarification. Now, most students, when they are studying, they don't actually seek for clarification. So many students want to do everything by themselves. They tend to read everything by themselves. They tend to answer all the questions by themselves. They don't seek for help and clarification when they are confused. If you are trying to do everything your own, remember you cannot achieve everything all by yourself. If you encounter any challenges, topic or concept, seek clarification for your teachers, tutor, or fellow students. Don't hesitate to ask questions or join study group to enhance your understanding. Now, this way I recommend you to have somebody that if you can see a tutorial that is teaching or preparing students for that particular post UTME exam, that university exam, then I will advise you to go pay that money and learn, because you're going to take a lot of stress from you, and it's going to help you cover more in less time. It's called leverage. So it's very, very important to do this. But if there's no tutorial, if there's no tutorial you can find that does these things here or prepare students for the exam, then you want to have tutors, personal tutors, who are passed through the field, or your fellow students who are also going to that exam. It's very easy if you form study group. Do you get that? But make sure you seek clarification wherever you are confused. Then this now leads us to number 8. Take mock exam. It's very, very important you take mock exam as you are reading, practicing, getting all the source material. It's very important you take mock exam. Stimulate the post UTME exam environment by taking mock exam. This will help familiar with the exam condition, build your confidence, and identify areas where you need improvement. It's very important as you keep taking the mock test or mock exam. There are some areas you will now know that you need to strengthen, and there are some areas when you are solving those questions, there are some topics you know that you have not covered. So this will help you understand the areas you really need improvement on. Please take note of this. Then number 9, stay updated. Stay updated. It's very important you stay updated with what is going on in the school, like things that are going on in the school. It's very important you take the immediate past year post UTME past question. That is why you must get out of your comfort zone to get this stuff. Keep yourself updated with current affairs and relevant news, especially in subjects like general knowledge and current affairs. It's very important because sometimes they ask current affairs in some post UTME exam. This will help you tackle questions related to what recent events. Now, you can go far to ask questions about the school, who is the current VC. Now, so just try to get relevant information about the school and what is happening around Nigeria about current affairs. It's very important you do this. Then number 10, which is the most important one here, maintain a positive mindset. It's very, very important to maintain a positive mindset. Now, I've seen some people who are praying for the UTME exam, but they don't have that positive mindset. Some of them are scared. They are thinking that their preparation is not that good enough, and they cannot actually make it to the particular department they are going to. I understand this kind of feeling, but therefore you need to believe in yourself and have that positive mindset that no matter what is going to happen here, you are going to succeed in that exam. Approach your preparation with a positive mindset, believe in your abilities, and stay motivated throughout the process. Maintain a balance between study and relaxation to avoid burnout. It's very, very important. So these are the 10 strategies you can use to prepare for any Nigeria post UTME exam. And this stuff is also applicable to every other exam you might want to write. Just follow this thing here. Follow this pattern I've just given to you, all this strategy I've given to you, and make use of them very well. Follow them step by step and make use of you very well. Ask questions. So if this is helpful, you can leave at the comment section that this is helpful, and which part do you think you will need help in, or you will need help. Comment at the comment section. I will respond to that. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.